As an account executive for Charter Media, I get the opportunity to work with lots of different clients in different industries, and one thing they have in common is a desire to really get focused on their message and to do it at the most affordable cost. And that's why Mark Easter is always the first I call, because Mark works on a deadline. When he says he's going to have it done, he gets it done, and he works affordably in a way that makes it easy for clients who have small businesses to get a great message put together that they can use for a long time to advertise and grow their business.